Hello friends, it is my second video on the series of Asia Cup 2025 and economic effects. So today's topic is Asia Cup 2025 economic ripple effects on Indian markets. You must be wondered to know that how a single sporting tournament can move markets, boost small businesses, and even nudge currency values. So we will break down today Asia Cup 2025 and the real economic ripple effects across India with real world examples and clear numbers. So welcome back. I am Dr. Sudha Pandey. So we will map how stadiums, sponsorship deals, broadcasting rights, and a surge in foot traffic turn into measurable impacts on equities, consumer spending, tourism, and more. So macro picture of this is that major tournaments generate short-term GDP bumps from tourism, transport, and hospitality. For India, hosting Asia Cup matches means inbound fans, increased domestic travel, and higher hotel occupants. That translates quickly into revenues for airlines, hotels, and local retailers. And those sectors often see visible spikes in quarterly reports. Markets and investor sentiment. Markets' positive consumer data and higher corporate earnings expectations can lift sectoral indices. Think airlines, quick service restaurants, and retail chains. Institutional investors watch consumer metrics and ad spend announcements. If broadcasters report record viewership, media stocks and ad agencies often react. Watch for temporary volatility in currency and bond markets as short term flows respond to ticket sales, foreign travel, and sponsorship payments. Broadcasting sponsorship and media rights. Broadcasting rights are massive. Higher ad rates during matches boost broadcaster revenue, which often filters to production houses and digital streaming platforms. Sponsorship deals create branded campaigns that elevate marketing budgets. Across FMCG and telecom companies typically see upticks in brand engagement and sometimes short term sales bumps tied to campaign activations. Small businesses and local economies like MSMEs, street food vendors, merchandise sellers, last mile logistics, and transport drivers all see income gains. Cities hosting matches get a concentrated boost, local commerce temporarily staffing, and increased use of local suppliers. This is where the economic ripple is most tangible and immediate. Risks and long term effects. But it is not all upside. Infrastructure spending can strain public budgets if not managed well, and benefits can be unevenly distributed. Long term gains depend on legacy investments, improved transport links, better hospitality capacity, and enhanced city branding that attract future tourism and events. What will be mostly affected? Stocks,